Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and something I've been meaning to film and wanting to film for ages, my nursery tour and my chair that I've been waiting for to finish the nursery off so that I could film this has literally arrived less than an hour ago, and I'm like, whoa, now I can film it. So I am going to show you the nursery. So previously this was my filming room, which is why there's wardrobes all the way around before as well for my clothes. So those have still got all my things in, but we might clear them out if we need them. And then let me just show you the room as is, and then we'll go through all the details. So this is how it looks. Hello. So this is kind of everything, and then I'm going to go through all of the pieces and why we picked them. So I'll start with the nursery furniture, which was a very generous gift from Natural Baby Shower, and they are such a great place to look if you're looking for furniture or anything baby related really. They're kind of a great one-stop shop because they sell furniture, prams, blankets, clothes, toys, literally anything you could possibly need for a baby. So if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, it's a really great place to start. So the furniture set that we picked is the Bory Eaton range, and Bory have the most gorgeous furniture. They've got so many amazing brands on Natural Baby Shower, but we just really love the kind of classic look of the Bory furniture. So the cot, this is actually amazing too. It's basically a set of furniture for life, because the cot turns into a cot bed, and then you can buy an expansion pack to make it into a double bed, which is insane. So it's literally a bed for life. And then this changing table, as you can see, it kind of fixes on at the back here. So it's all secure and safe, but it's not damaging the top. So when you take this off, the top will be completely fine because it's all attached at the back. And then it's just a really beautiful set of chest of drawers. So then you'll have a double bed and a set of chest of drawers, which is amazing. Then if we take a look inside of the cot, we picked up this mattress from Natural Baby Shower as well. We purchased this, and this was one that we were really confused of what mattress to get, but I asked on Instagram. This one was highly recommended. Lots of people said that their baby slept really well on that, so we decided to get that one. And when it came, actually, we realised that one side is for one age and one side is for another, which is amazing. So it's going to last a long time, and it's all natural fibres and things, which is really great for a baby. And that's from the Little Green Sheep company. And we got our Moses basket. This was actually a gift from Jack's mum, and this is from the same brand, and the mattress and all of our sheets and things, we've gone for that because it's all natural. And then we have got in here, I've just got some cute little bits and bobs. Got some Jellycat toys. These are so soft. This one Jack picked up, and then these two are gifts from my sister and Jack's mum. And they are so soft, I can't even tell you. And then we've got this little rattle, which is a little seahorse, and that's from Little Dutch, and it actually matches our mobile, and that was also from Natural Baby Shower. I love the Little Dutch range. They have so many cute things. This is all kind of under the sea themed, and they've got a neutral one, a pink one, and a blue one, depending on what you're having or if you don't know. Then we have these cute little slippers. These are one of the first things I bought when I found out I was a girl, and I got those from Zara Home, and they're actually in the sale now. And then I've got a lovely little blanket from my friend, which was a gift, and this blanket is another gift, and that's such a beautiful special blanket. It's from Jack's grandmother, and it's actually the blanket that Princess Charlotte was given when she was born. So it's a really lovely idea if you're thinking of getting someone a gift. And then this was another gift, and it's actually something I really wanted. Is the Dream Sheep, I think it's called. I'm not sure what the official name is, but I'll link everything below. And this, it basically plays sounds of the womb and has a nightlight in it, a kind of 2-in-1, and apparently really good sleep aid for newborns. Then on the side here, I've just got this blanket, which was something I picked up in the Zara Home sale. Again, loving Zara Home for kids stuff. Then we come to the changing table, and I've just got this changing mat on here from Mama Shack, and I picked this actually before I knew if I was having a boy or girl, but I love the neutrals and the animals. I just think it's really cute, and this one's really good too because it's wipe clean. Then I'm not sure if we will keep these teddies here or have like more practical changing stuff, but I feel like it looks nicer with teddies. But this one is from the White Company. This is one of the first things we bought actually when we found out I was pregnant. And then this is a little stylish teddy bear that Jack picked up from John Lewis. Again, I'll link everything. And then these little hanging hot air balloons, they're just hung by fishing wire. They were from Cam Copenhagen, and they're actually lights, but we didn't want them as lights, but I've kept the light fixtures in case in the future we do. And they've got these little teddy bears in, which actually came with some White Company pyjamas I got for her, and I just thought that they fitted perfectly. Then here we have this little rocker from Charlie Crane, and I love Charlie Crane things. They have the most beautiful Moses baskets too, such gorgeous things, but their Moses baskets wouldn't have been suitable for us because of our dog. But yeah, this is gorgeous. It's the most beautiful rocker I've ever seen. It just obviously rocks like that. They have different wood and different coloured covers too, and then it's got like a little strap in, and that's going to be so handy because I've seen people just like rock it with their foot, like it's so easy to rock. Then the thing that we've been waiting to film this video for is my chair, and I can't believe it's here. And I actually didn't think it would be as big as it is, and I didn't think it would be as comfortable as it is, but it is so comfortable and easy to like settle in. And I can like sit sideways, lay back in it, so I think that's going to be really comfortable for feeding in the night time. And then I have just popped this little cushion that again I got in the Zara home sale. It's a cute little peachy heart one, and it's got the ball hearts which kind of match the chair. Then we have got this full-length mirror. I feel like a room's not a room without a mirror in my house. This one is from William Wood, and it's called the Looker mirror. As I said, I'll link everything below. It's kind of got the window pane effect without the actual grids, which I really liked because it's a bit more minimal. Then I've got this print here from Desenio, and these prints here are also from Desenio. And this one is just a little like ABC one with animals, which is very cute. And I've got a little, this is actually a stool. I got it from Zara Home again. It wasn't in the sale, but it did go in the sale and sell out, so I'll link an alternative. And I've got this little lamp, which was actually a gift for my birthday from my friend, and it fits perfectly in the nursery and looks so cute with this little chair. They just make the cutest little combo there. And then I'll just step back, and we added a rug in here too. We didn't get an expensive one. This was, I think it was under 200 or around 200, maybe 250. And I know that I'm saying that's cheap, but it's because the rug in the bedroom was like £1,000. I feel like rugs are so expensive. But we got this one because we thought it was quite affordable, and it still looks really nice. Because we just wanted it to feel a bit like softer in here and not be hardwood floor. And we've already had an accident with Penny in here, and the rug has cleaned up really nicely. So yeah, we know that's going to be easy to clean and everything. And then by the side here we have got a little basket, again Zara Home, guys. Anything like that, I just go to Zara Home because it's so easy, and it's just filled up with little, well, it's mainly muslins, because I saw this on someone else's and I thought it was such a good idea to have a basket of blankets and muslins by where you're going to be nursing the baby. So I've got some really pretty ones here. These are from Scandinavian, and then we've also just got some like kind of plain white ones, so we've got a mixture of like pretty and easy. And I've also got a couple of toys. These were all gifts. This is from Little Dutch again and matches the mobile. My friend got me that. It's like a little book, and this is from the White Company. This one is super cute too, and then I'm not sure where that one's from. And then this one again, Little Dutch. They all kind of match, which is funny because these were all my gifts, and no one knew that what we had, so funny. Obviously very popular. And then here we have a little rocking horse. This is from Mummas and Papas, and it's just like a teddy bear rocking horse. Sure, she won't be going on that for a while, but I just thought it was cute to have it out. And then up there I've just popped a nice vase, again from Zara, with a little bouquet that someone sent us as congratulations when she was born. And then we have a little print from Desenio again, and some kids books. Then this won't be out all the time, but I just wanted to show you it out, is this little, it's from Little Dutch again. It literally, we have like the whole collection of this under the sea stuff, and it's a play mat, and this is really soft and padded little shell, and then it's got all these bits dangling down for her to kind of play with. And these this is really easy to put up and take down too. They just clip in underneath, so that's really quick and easy and handy to like have to put up as well. It's not something you need to like keep up all the time, and it stores really easily, so that's really good, because as you can see, we've not got a lot of space in here. Then I thought I'd just show you in my drawers, because I know people will want to see what we've got. And so we've actually purchased these drawer organisers off of Amazon that I saw someone else had, and they look so good. And they're a little bit too short for our drawers, but what I've done is I've just kind of like I don't know what it's called, but I've done them like this so that it makes extra compartments there. And I thought they were such a good idea, because obviously baby clothes are so small, and I actually am considering getting some of these for my own drawers, because it's so much more organised in here. So I've just got like scratch mitts, knitwear, socks, trousers, cute outfits. These are the outfits that actually had the teddy bears from before. Little booties that my mum knitted, and that's a little cardigan my mum knitted. And then we've got long sleeve vests, short sleeve vests, baby grows, bibs, and then this is all kind of random stuff in there, and then this is all like changing stuff, which is handy for the changing. And then on this one we have got all of the sleep bits, so like the sleep bags, and then some swaddles, and then this bit here is all for kind of age 0 to 3 months. Or 0 to 1, I can't remember, but yeah, this is like the next stage up. So that's all organised, and then the bottom drawer is a bit unorganised, because it's just random extra stuff for when she's a bit older and bedding. So I think I need to order some more organisers for in here and organise that a bit. But how adorable are these, by the way, and my sister got her, they're so cute, and she also got her some little mini Ugg boots. I know people wanted to see what other things we'd kind of got for the baby, and I think this is everything minus the Moses basket stand. We also got this Stoke Flexi Bath bundle pack. Jack picked this out, he does all the research on things like this, and it's just like a little bath from birth to 4 years, and it's got a little chair in it. It folds up easily for storage, and it's got a heat sensitive plug to show you that you're having the right temperature for the baby. So that's the bath that we got. I'll link everything below, as I said. Then we also got this BT Smart Baby Monitor. Again, I haven't even looked at it. Jack picked that up, he researched it and everything, and then my mum got it as a gift. And then we also got one of these sleepy head things, which actually when it came I was a bit shocked because it says Decor on it, but it is actually the same brand. They've just rebranded to themselves. I think it's in America it's called Decor, and in the UK it's Sleepy Head or something like along those lines. But yeah, so it's like, I don't know how much we'll use this or not, but I really wanted one because they look so handy for kind of like moving the baby around when they're asleep, and also whenever I've seen babies asleep in them, they look so cozy. So yeah, these are kind of like, I guess, for like putting them in the bed or on the sofa when they're like napping. So that is everything in my little nursery tour. I can't believe that everything is finally here, and now we are ready and waiting for her. I was 36 weeks on Wednesday, and it's Friday now. I don't know when you're going to see this. I'll probably be 37 weeks when you're watching this, which is crazy. So yeah, she could come any moment basically, and we're ready. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I've given you some inspo if you're looking for your nursery or looking to see if you're missing anything, and I'll link everything below as said before. And I'm also going to do a blog post where I will have like still images, so if you want to like take a closer look at anything, and then you can head over there. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll also link below any other baby things I've got, like my baby clothes that I've got, my pregnancy Q&A, and also I did a video of packing my hospital bag, which is right there. So if you want to see any of those, then I'll link those below too. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.